So I hear the U.S. is going to be bombarded with about 3 feet of snow. This is basically what you can expect. This is our driveway, and honestly, we go through this every single winter. So if you're afraid of one little blizzard, don't come up to Canada during the winter. I guess I shouldn't be too hard on these people. I mean, honestly, if you're not prepared for that much snow, then yeah, you have a reason, or you have every right to be worried about it. You have every right to be fearful of it too. I mean, they're closing down the subways in New York. They're closing down, what is it? Well, they're canceling flights. They're probably going to end up shutting down the airport because nobody's going to be able to fly anywhere. And then they're, like up here in Canada, where there's stuff like this every day in the winter, right? Like a whole crap load of snow out there. All right. Now, stuff like that, we're used to it. So we're prepared. We have all of the equipment necessary to remove everything and cause huge 20-foot snowbanks on the side of the road, from removing snow from the streets. But places that are not prepared, places that don't usually get snow, yeah, I mean, that must be scary for them and everything, But seriously, you should try and live up in Canada, or even just come and visit Canada in the winter. See what it's like. Maybe you won't be so afraid of snow afterwards. I don't know. What do you think of snow? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Are you scared of it? What? One thing I don't understand is why, if there's this big huge blizzard and everything's shutting down and they're telling people to stay in their homes, why are people lined up at the gas stations putting gas in their cars? They've just been told not to go anywhere. So why do they need gas in their cars? Where are they going to go? Okay, so it was because of Sandy. Because of Hurricane Sandy. The people are running to the gas stations, filling up on gas. Because I guess when Sandy hit, they weren't able to get gas to the gas stations for about 5 weeks or something like that, for a while anyway. So that makes sense. But to fill up on gas just to sit at home and wait out a storm, come on, that doesn't make any sense at all. So I don't know, but it's a good thing that I watch CNN, because I get coverage about everything, and whether it's true or not, there's still a few things that they report about that I have doubts on. Hi, Boxer. Oh, leave me alone. I don't want to be on film. I'm just looking out the window at all the snow. Yeah, well, that's okay, Boxer. You can look out the window and I can still film you. It's not gonna hurt you. You've already been on YouTube before. Oh, I know. Oh, I'm just getting old. Such a beautiful cat. Very, very beautiful. Right, Boxer? You're so handsome. The 9-year-old 15-pound Russian blue. Very, very, very beautiful cat. You know, I really feel sorry for anybody who owns a blue truck right now. Apparently they're shooting anybody that's driving a blue truck because they're looking for this Christopher Dormer guy, or Dorner, or whatever, this ex-cop that, like, on the run. It's a manhunt. What they should do is get Man Tracker after him. He'll find him. But no, seriously, you know, just to attack anybody that's driving a blue truck. They sent a grandmother, a 70-something-year-old grandmother, to a hospital because they thought she was a black guy. I mean, come on. They're obviously not looking at who they're shooting. They're just shooting and shooting and shooting and don't care. And they want to take the guns away from civilians? Why don't they take them away from the police officers? Police officers are doing way more damage. Unless this is part of their plan. A year in jail? Really? They're saying on the news that if you go out in the snow after a certain time when the ban is in effect, they will put you in jail for being outside. That is stupid. That's the stupidest thing I've ever heard. I mean, come on. We get that kind of snow every winter. You don't see the cops in Winnipeg arresting people for making snow angels in the field or whatever. I mean, come on. This is ridiculous. It's like nobody... You know, it's like these people have not seen snow before in their life, or there's some kind of hidden agenda that the world doesn't know about. I mean, come on, wake up, people. There might be something out there that you don't even know about. There could be some kind of ulterior motives here. I don't know. Blah, 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 blah. I have absolutely no clue as to what I'm talking about. So the power outage at the Super Bowl was caused by a device specifically made to prevent power outages. How ironic is that? Well, I guess that's all for today. I don't know. I just don't have much to say today, except for everything that I've said already. And this. Take it easy.